Hi everyone, today we are going to do transportation in both humans and plants. So it is from the chapter Life Processes if you don't know. So the introduction is going to be and the why is it important and in humans, blood circularies. We're going to cover all of this in today's class. Okay. So first with the introduction, we are going to start off. So the introduction gives us a phrase. So life processes activities essential for survival. So what does life processes means? Activities essential for survival. For example, nutrition, aspiration, transportation. So these are the essential activities for the survival. So what is transportation is what we need to learn. Let us come into the focus point. Let us come into the focus point. This is going to be our focus point. Okay. So movement of material. So when some particles, let us take here are few particles. Okay, these particles are moving here and there. When you add some kind of powder into your glass, you can if you can see the particles moving here and there. So that is called movement of particles. So movement of particles, other particles, a movement of particles, for example, nutrition, nutrients, gases, wastes in organisms. So movement of particles, for example, gases, wastes in organisms is called transportation. Coming off next is why is it important? Why is it important? So why is this movement of material important? So first thing, it supplies oxygen to the nutrients to the cells. What does it do? Supplies oxygen that and nutrients. Uh, it supplies oxygen to the it supplies oxygen and nutrients. Okay, it removes waste like urea, carbon dioxide. It removes waste. So it maintains homeostasis. So what does this mean? Any self-regulating process by which biological systems tend to remain stability while adjusting to the conditions that are optimal for survival. If homeostasis is successful, life continues. If unsuccessful, disaster or death ensures. Okay, first thing is let me write here for you. Oxygen and nutrients, oxygen and nutrients to the cell. Okay, so that is going to be our first point when they ask why is it important. So it removes waste. You have to remember urea and carbon dioxide because this is enough, but still maintains uh, home homos. So can you please note down these three important topics? Yeah, I'm going to erase them. So, yeah. So, next we're going to know about the input and output in organisms. So, what is the input? What is meaning of input? Going in. Note these points down somewhere. Going in. Output means coming out. Okay. So, next up, first our input will be stimulus. Stimulus, do you know what does the meaning of stimulus mean? Stimulus means some, how do I explain it? It's like small head kind structures, but it's not some hair kind like structures. So then it will go into the sense organs, for example, eye, ears, etc. So sensory neurons. Neurons means nerves. Brain and control center. Brain is enough for us. Muscle glands. Response. And then finally, so this is also an output, but okay, I don't know why this came till here. Okay, this is a input and output in organisms. So we are going to now learn what is the transportation in humans, in circulatory system. So first we need to know the components. So guys, this is an icebreaker. Means this will compulsorily come in your examination. That is what an icebreaker means. So first, heart pumps the blood. So blood vessels means it has arteries, veins, and capillaries. Blood which contains RBC, WBC, platelets, and plasma. So children, if you want want these notes, comment hi. If you want these notes, comment hey. Okay. So uh, what happens means you can see these diagrams, right? So from here, from the body, it comes like this, and it comes from both sides, and it will go and it will pump in the left bank and the right bank. So again in this one, there is an out input, and then it goes and it will bang three sides. More about this you know detailed in your grade 9 already. So how blood circulates? Let us see how blood circulates. First step is oxygenated blood, means which has oxygen. Shit, I'm so sorry, children. As you can see, oxygenated blood means oxygen is present. Deoxygenated blood means oxygen is absent. So in these two, let us see how blood circulates. First, in oxygenated blood, the oxygenated blood goes through arteries. Arteries. Where are these arteries here? Arteries means these. It will go from here to here. Let us see next what happens to organs. So it will go to here and these all organs, and again it will come back. Again it will go from here and it will come to heart, and from here it will be here, here, and again heart. So let us see what happens for the non like no deoxygenation. So first the blood will go into the veins, not to the arteries. It will go into the veins. These are the systematic veins, and it will go to the from here, and where is systematic ventricle? Here. So it will go from here. Then heart to lungs. Only these. Only these. Okay, let us see now the transportation in plants. So vascular system. Okay, it is called as vascular system. So this is a vascular bond, that is called, it is called vascular system. This is corax. This is vascular column, and this is appendix, and this is xylem, phloem, pith, and this is a plant. It is showing a plant stem. Xylem carries water, minerals, roots to leaves. It will carry water and minerals from roots to leaves. So we can say that it is transportation, water, transportation. We can tell xylem as water transportation. Let us see what does phloem does. It transports food. It is a food transportation. Okay. So leaves to other parts of the body. Now, children, let us see the comparison. Okay, let us see the comparison. Comparison between humans and plants. Feature. First, let us see its features. 1 minute. let us see its feature. So first feature of it is that it is medium. The feature is medium. And medium means in humans it is blood, and in what in it this one it is water plus sap. So the medium through which these substances are traveling. Okay, medium means through which substances travel. So in humans it is blood, children, and in plants it is water plus sap. Let us think about some organs. So it is blood and vessel. And for example, xylem and phloem in plants. Okay. And let us see about the functions of it. Okay. So in the function is CO, carbon dioxide, and oxygen in and nutrients in humans. It is water, minerals, and food in plants. And with that, we have finished, and we need to do a quick summary of what we have learned. Transportation means it is vital for survival. Okay, so this transportation is vital for survival. Humans use blood, plants use phloem and xylem. Both systems maintain balance. Okay, that is what we have learned in this chapter. Thank you everyone for attending this session. So hope you like and share. Thank you. Bye.